Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use categories in Outlook to label and organize your emails. Right-click the email you want to categorize, in this case, Trial Demo Management. When the context menu opens, hover over Categorize to expand the submenu with your category options. Click New Category at the bottom of that submenu to open the Create New Category dialog. Type a name for your category. For this example, I'm typing Not Impartee. Click one of the color circles to assign a color to the category. Click Save, and the dialog closes with your new category now applied to the email. Once you've created a category, you can apply it to multiple emails at once by selecting them all, right-clicking and choosing that category from the Categorize menu. If you want to see every email with a particular category, click the colored category label shown on any tagged message, and Outlook filters your inbox to show only those items. You can also rename or delete categories later by going into the Categorize menu and selecting Manage Categories at the bottom. And that's how to create and use categories in Outlook. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.